Welcome back and I feel very happy to meet you all again. This video is to enhance the listening skills. Listening is very important to enhance the language skills. Here I'm gonna play an audio. You have to listen to the audio very carefully, and after the audio is played, the questions will be flashed. So you have to answer the questions. Okay, shall we start right now? Listening comprehension. Listen carefully and answer the questions. Facts about the planet Mars. Mars is known as a red planet because of the color of its top layer of the soil. This soil is rich in iron and has combined with oxygen to become a rusty red color. From Mars' surface, you would see a rusty red landscape and a pink sky as winds blow its fine dust into its atmosphere. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. Its moons, Phobos and Deimos, are the names of the gods' horses. The mountain god of the Greek gods gives its name to the huge volcano on Mars, Olympus Mons. Hope you listened to the audio. Okay, now read the questions and fill your answers in the blank. Once you've finished writing, you can check out your answers, which is displayed at the end of the video. Now check out your answers here. Self-evaluate yourselves by knowing how many answers are right and how many are incorrect. Suppose if you are given incorrect answers, you don't want to worry about it. Practice is the only way to make you profound and excel in your language skills. Thank you guys for watching my video, and remember to subscribe and share my videos, and that would be encouraging me for posting more informative videos. Meet you soon.